Hello, I'm Wave. We will learn about HDR images in Adobe Photoshop. You know, HDR is a full form of high dynamic range, is a set of techniques used to increase the dynamic range of captured photos and videos. It typically consists of capturing multiple frames of the same scene, but with different exposures, and then combining them into one, resulting into a dynamic range higher than those of individually captured frames. Now, how to get HDR images in Adobe Photoshop. First, click on the File menu, then go to Automate, and then choose Merge to HDR Pro. All you have to do is to select at least 2 images and keep the resolution same. For example, if you're using the resolution 1920 by 1080, you should select at least 2 images of 1920 by 1080 resolution. When we execute this command, we get the 3 types of settings. Exposure time, the amount of light that reaches the film or image sensor, is proportional to the exposure time, like 1/60th of a second. F-stop, it tells you the ratio of the system's focal length to the diameter of the entrance pupil. And ISO refers to your camera's sensitivity to light. The higher the ISO, the more sensitive your camera sensor becomes, and the brighter your photos appear. Additional setting is the EV level, the exposure value, a combination of camera's shutter speed and f-number, such that all combinations that yield the same exposure have the same EV. When 2 photos are merged together, they form an HDR. You can change exposure, gamma, and other features in the HDR settings window. Anyway, the steps are easy to find. Selecting 2 distinct images with identical resolution, you can try more than 2 as well. So, in this video you now know how to use HDR image in Adobe Photoshop. Like, comment, and subscribe now.